Hey everybody, Johnny Be Good here. Let me get my potato on here. Something to hold on to. So, alright, I am located right now at the TA in Hollbrook, Arizona. Let me swing you by around here just to let you guys see where I'm at. I'm at the TA garage. There, I'm at the TA garage here, and earlier I complained about an air leak, and I knew it wasn't the glad hands, it wasn't on the trailer, because with my brakes set, that means the red and yellow buttons are pulled out, the air leak would still leak. So I knew it had to be inside somewhere blue or within blue. So it turns out it's some kind of a valve in the air dryer. I don't think it's gonna take that long to change. So most probably I will not be spending the night here. Right now I had 2 hours and 51 minutes available to drive. I still had 3 hours and 34 minutes on my 14, so I'm hoping, worst case scenario, I'd like to spend the night in Flagstaff and possibly say hello to Matt So. He lives in Flagstaff, so yeah. Alright, well, keep you guys posted about the development here. We'll catch you later. Peace.